Hi friends, welcome back to So Healthy Nigeria. Today we are diving into something simple yet powerful: sprouted grains. Did you know that sprouting your grains could improve digestion, unlock more nutrients, and boost your health? Let's break it down. So what are sprouted grains? Sprouting happens when grains like wheat, millet, or sorghum, or even beans are soaked in water until they begin to germinate. It's nature's way of waking up the seed, and in the process, the nutrients inside become more active and available.
Okay, so this is another grain that I'm soaking. This is white sorghum, and I'm using this for my swallow. I love swallow a lot, but I like to eat it very healthy, right? So, and I'm also going to use it for pap. So I'll be mixing this white sorghum and this one for my pap. I'm also planning on making baby cereal for it. My kids don't want to leave their baby food, so every now and then they request for it.
Benefits of sprouting grains. Number 1, easier digestion. Sprouting breaks down starches, making grains lighter and easier on the stomach. For people who feel bloated after eating regular grains, sprouted grains can be a gentler option. Number 2, more nutrients available. When grains sprout, they release enzymes that break down compounds like phytic acid, which normally blocks your body from absorbing minerals. This means sprouted grains give you more iron, zinc, magnesium, and B vitamins. Number 3, better protein quality. Sprouting improves the amino acid profile of grains, which helps your body build stronger muscles and tissues. Number 4, blood sugar friendly. Sprouted grains have a lower glycemic index, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar as much as regular grains. I'm so excited about this, really.
I'm so excited about the fact that sprouted grains help with blood sugar regulation, because this means weight management, serious weight management, or even weight loss for anyone who needs to lose weight. And for that person that is dealing with diabetes, this is very, very important in your diet.
Number 5, richer in antioxidants. The process boosts antioxidant levels, which protect your cells and keep your body young and strong. So how do you use sprouted grains? You can add sprouted grains into homemade bread or pap, smoothies for extra nutrition, salads for crunch and fiber, or simply cook them like normal rice or beans. Now, sprouted grains is an easy, natural way to get more nutrition out of what you're already eating. It takes just a few days of patience, but gives a lifetime of health benefits. For instance, this one you're seeing took me 3 days of soaking and then 24 hours of sprouting for the sprouts to come out. So have you ever tried sprouting grains at home? If you have, drop your experience in the comments below. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to So Healthy Nigeria for more natural wellness tips. Ciao! Thank you for watching.